My department. My today's topic is space gardens, cultivating life among the stars in astrobotany.
There is no need to hold this, okay? You can read it. We can read it.
Next, introduction. What is astrobotany? Astrobotany is the study of plants in space, including how they grow and their possibility of extraterrestrial plant life. It is the subfield of botany and
ওটাকে সরিয়ে দাও, ওটা পড়ো না বেশি। ওটা
it
ক্যাচ
is
করে
the
দেবে। তাহলে খুব জোরে আসছে আওয়াজ।
It is the subfield of botany and astrobiology. Father of astrobotany. The father of astrobotany is the astrobotanist Tycho. Next, what are the objectives of space gardens astrobotany? There are many objectives in the space gardens, space gardening objectives. Like these are listed below, listed here. So, sustain life in space, enable self-sufficiency, understand plant adaptation, enhance space exploration, improve earth agriculture, and prepare for colonization. Next, what are the importance of plants in space? Plants play a critical role in supporting human space exploration by providing oxygen, food, and psychological benefits. Next, the challenges of space gardening. There are so many challenges in space gardening. There are limited gravity, microgravity or zero gravity, exposure to cosmic radiation, and the availability of water and nutrients must be carefully managed in space environments. Next, what are the advancements in space agriculture? There are many advanced space agriculture growth systems like hydroponics, aeroponics, and LED lighting for photosynthesis, and use of bioengineered plants. Next, this is the Japanese scientist Koichi Wakata. The Japanese scientist Koichi Wakata bring some cherry blossom seeds along with him from Japan to the space and spend a lot of time in the space and after 8 months and 4,100 orbits on the Earth, he bought the cherry blossom seeds along with him in the Japan and planted this in Japan. So this is the cherry blossom tree which is still alive. Next, key experiments and missions. Arabidopsis thaliana. Arabidopsis was the first plant Arabidopsis was the first plant whose genome is fully sequenced and also have a short life cycle. It has been grown on the International Space Station and powered in 1982 abroad Soviet. This is also the most common plant to be sent to the space. Next, tomato. We all eat tomatoes. So, did you know that tomatoes have been grown in space for several times? If no, then look at that. Most recently, tomatoes grown in space returned to Earth in April 2023 as the Veg 5 experiment. Next, Kalanchoe, the ornamental plant. In 1979, the Soviet cosmonauts Valery Ruman and Vladimir Lyakov were struggling with depression and loneliness on the Soviet Salyut 6 spacecraft. So, as a result, a mature Kalanchoe plant was sent to the space, and due to this, it helps to improve their mental health. Next, onions. We also eat onions in a daily purpose. So, did you know that onions were grown in the first space plant habitat? In Oasis 1 on Soviet Salyut 1 in 1971? And these onions were also eaten. These onions were also eaten by the cosmonauts, making them the first space-grown plants ever eaten. Next, zucchini. Zucchini was officially grown in space in 2012 during expedition 3031 on the International Space Station. It was grown in a plastic bag and nutrient solution using aeroponics, which is nothing but the air. Next, zinnia. Scott Kelly and Mikhail Kornikov cultivated the zinnia flower in space. They spent a lot of time, 300 days in space, and after that the zinnia flower was bloomed in space, and this photo was taken. This photo was taken in 2016 year. Next, Veji is a space garden. Veji is a space garden which is located on the space station. This project aims to investigate plant development in microgravity, provide astronauts with fresh food, improve their happiness, and this is cultivated in a totally in presence of light. There are a few pillow and clay-based medium and nutrients. Next, this is the most important part of my presentation. Look at that pictures carefully. It is this soil is not the soil of the Earth. The Apollo astronauts bring this soil from the moon and planted a pale grace plant seed in this lunar soil. And eventually, after few days, it grows on the lunar dirt. So this clarifies that the moon has also that life has also been that in moon there is also life. There is life in the moon. So in future prospects, there is also have a probability of living organisms found in moon like this plant. I think